everyone.
Welcome to Food as Medicine channel. Veg biryani. Anybody can do this biryani perfect at the first time. How do you do this? I am going to give perfect boiling of rice, measurements, masalas and dum procedure. Let's see it. It will take minimum of 1 hour to do this biryani. In a bowl, take 1.5 cup of basmati rice. Wash it. Soak the rice in water for 15 minutes. The water level should be above the rice. We are going to cook the rice. Add 5 cups of water and boil it for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we will cut the vegetables. Cut medium size onion 1 and 2 tomatoes. 1 medium size potato, 1 carrot, 10 beans and quarter cup of peas. Drain the water from the soaked rice. Now you could see the water is boiling. Add the soaked rice in this. It will take minimum of 5 minutes to cook the rice. To prevent the sticky of rice, add 1 spoon of oil to it. Add 1 spoon of salt to the rice and mix it very well. After 5 minutes, you could see the rice are coming at the top and you can check the rice. What you can do now, lower the flame and cook it for 1 more minute, not beyond that. Now the rice is perfectly cooked. Now we can drain the water. Now we are going to cook the vegetables. Add quarter cup of ghee and heat it. Add 1 spoon of cumin seeds. It will give good smell after this. Add medium size onion 1 and cook it for 3 minutes. I am using white onion here. You can use purple onion or white big onions. After 3 minutes of cooking, add 2 tomatoes to it and mix it well. Add 3 spoons of ginger garlic paste. This will make the process of cooking faster and also it gives good smell to the biryani. After adding ginger garlic paste, cook it for 3 minutes. Once the raw smell goes off, add half spoon of turmeric. Add 1.5 spoon of Kashmiri chili powder. If it is a normal chili powder, add 1 spoon only. I am adding 1 spoon of garam masala because I have not added any whole garam masala. Add 1 spoon of biryani masala. This will give the real taste of biryani. Don't miss it. Just mix onion and tomatoes with this masala. Smash it as much as possible. Now add all the vegetables. Stir it very well so that all masalas will get mixed with the vegetables. Don't add other vegetables like cauliflower to this because it may change the taste. Add 1 spoon of salt for the vegetable. We already added 1 spoon to the rice. Now add 10 cashew nuts. It is optional, but it gives rich taste. Add 1.5 cup of water, the measurement whatever we taken for rice. As it has to cook properly, I am adding water. Now we can close the lid and cook it for minimum 6 minutes so that our vegetables will get ready. After 6 minutes of cooking, see the consistency. It is little bit thicker. Now we are going to add two main ingredients. One is coriander leaves, second is mint leaves. Take some handful of leaves, cut it very small and add here. Remember that you have to wash it thoroughly, cut and add. Mint leaves are the heart of the biryani. If it is not there, you cannot cook biryani. Now the gravy is giving good smell of mint leaves and coriander leaves. Now we have to put for dum. In another big vessel or cooker, add 1 spoon of ghee to it and spread it across the vessel. Now keep the flame in very low and then we have to add the vegetables. Add 1 layer of gravy to this. Spread the gravy all over the vessel at the bottom. Add half of your boiled rice as a second layer. See the rice, it is cooked very well. It is also not sticky because we added oil, right? So it is really good to see the rice. Now add second layer of vegetable gravy. Spread it across the vessel and on the rice. Totally there will be 4 layers, 2 for veg gravies and 2 for rice. You have to spread the veg gravy on the rice and across the vessel. Now add the remaining rice as a 4th layer. Touch the rice very gently and spread all over the layer. Add 1 spoon of ghee to it. It will give a nice smell. Add 4 to 5 drops of food color. It is optional. Now close the vessel with aluminium foil, reminding you that it has to be in a low flame for 30 minutes dum. Press tightly on the edges of the vessel so that air will not get in. With my practice of cooking biryani, I won't add curd or lime because we don't like tangy taste and also the taste will change. I won't add whole garam masala because my kids don't like to take it out. Better I put it like a powder. After 30 minutes of dum, take out the aluminium foil and we can see the rice here. Transfer this immediately to a bigger plate or a tray like this. See how it is cooked. The smell is also very nice. As there are 4 layers in it, the masalas are mixed with rice and some are colored and some are white rice. The taste is also very good. My kids like this. You can use the same measurement for party. If you have more rice varieties, This will be sufficient. See the rice, it is not at all sticky, and also vegetables cooked very well. Masalas blended with the rice and vegetables very well. It is really easy to make within 1 hour. Try this and tell me in the comments. Thank you.